Nice, Saskia. Look nice. Look at it. Hey, hey. Look nice. Yes. The butter bubble up over here, so. The, now you salty one, you try to make your food salt. The plain one. So the butter bubble over here, so. Saskia going with things.
You gotta put ketchup in it.
No. Butter bubble up here, so. Big up Saskia. Curry chicken. That me I talk about. Yeah. She never going in the video now, but she's alright. At least we can take the video apart. Big up it, watch there. And then rice over there, so cook. She are going with her thing and thing. Pot look nice. Yep. Here we go. It's bubbling away. Hey. Alright. See you in the next clip. Let me see. So the curry chicken done. We are waiting for the rice for done cook. Look pretty, right? That's how curry if you look. See? Nice. Yes, guys. So this is the finished product. Saskia production. She don't want to go in the video. But me can. She not go in there because she don't want to go in there. So this is Saskia production. Curry chicken and rice with tomato. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. She do it all by herself. Yeah, yeah. Like, please like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, bye.